Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Excel 2021 in Practice Chapter 1 Independent Project 1 to 4. So if you want to complete Simulate project Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee you a 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So Excel 2021 in practice chapter 1 guided project 1 to 4. So Excel 2021 in practice chapter 1 independent project 1 to 4. We move to the main project steps. So total step is 13. We move to the question number 1. So question number 1 is open the workbook Blue Lake, access start a file. If the workbook open protected view, click enable editing in the security bar. So go to the Excel worksheets. I have already downloaded the Excel Blue Lake variant. Blue Lake 1. So question number 1 is complete and we move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is the file will be renamed automatically to include your name and change the project file name if directed to do so by your instructor and save it. So I have already changed the Excel file Jaliza President Blue Lake 1. So next we move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is we move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is apply the office theme to worksheets. So apply the office theme to worksheets. Go to the Excel worksheets and go to the payload tabs, go to the theme groups and office theme, click OK. Office theme to the worksheets, and next we move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is edit the worksheet data, edit the title in cell A2, display the first period sale by departments, edit the value in cell D6 to 1950. Edit the title in cell A2, go to the Excel worksheet and select the cell A2. Display the first period sales by department. First period sale by department. Department. First period sale by department and press enter. So next edit the value in cell D6 to 1950. So part B is added the value in cell D6. So select the cell D6, D6 to 1915, and press enter. So question number 4 is complete, and we move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is, we move to the question number 5. So next, unmerge the cells and reformat data A1 to A2. Click the merge and centers button arrow, home tabs, alignment groups, and choose the unmerged cells. The cells are no longer merged, but the cells still have center alignments. And next, click the next, click the align left home tabs and change the font size to 16. Set the row height 1 to 2 to 24. So next, select the cell A1 to A2, A1 to A2, and press enter. And next, click the merge and center buttons arrow and choose the unmerged cells. Click the merge and center button arrow, go to the home tabs and go to the alignment groups and click the merge and centers and choose the unmerged cells. Choose the unmerged cells, click OK. The cells are no longer merged, but the cells still have center alignments. And next, click the align left buttons home tabs in the alignment group. So next, choose the unmerged cells and click the align left buttons home tabs in the alignment groups. Align left buttons, so go to the home tabs and go to the alignment groups and click the align left button. So next, change the font size to 16. So change the font size to 16. So next change the font size to 16. Go to the home tabs, go to the font groups and change the font size to 16. Click OK. Font size to 16. Next, change the font size to 16. Size to 16 and set the row height for the row 1 to 24. So next, set the row height 1 and 2. Select the row 1 and 2 and row height to 24. So right click and click row height 24. Row height 24 and click OK. So question number 5 is complete and we move to the question number 6. So next we move to the question number 6. So question number 6 is use the fill handle to complete the series and select the cell B3. Use the fill handle to complete the series to April in column E. Select the cell B3. Cell B3 and use the fill handle to complete the series to April column E. So April column E, January, February, March and April. So next part C is use the autofit to column C and E. Select the column C and E, column C and E, autofit column, and apply the autofit column. So question number 6 is complete and we move to the question number 7. So question number 7 is use the auto sum button and fill handle to calculate the value. Select the cell F4 and double click the auto sum buttons. Home tabs, editing groups, the suggested range B4 to E4 and result 13300. So select the cell F4 and double click the auto sum buttons. On tabs, editing group, the suggested range is B4 to E4 and the result is 13300. Cell F4 and use the auto sum. So go to the home tabs and go to the editing groups and click the auto sum, click OK and press enter. So next, the suggested range B4 to E4. B4 to E4. Double click the fill pointer for cell F4 to copy the function F5 to F18. Double click the fill pointer for cell F4 to copy the function to cell F5 to F18. So F5 to F18. And next select the cell G4. The cell G4 and click the auto sum button arrow, home tabs, editing groups and choose the max. And click the drag and select the B4 to E4 as the correct arguments range and press enter, and do not include the total range when looking for the maximum. Click the auto sum, select the cell G4, type is equal to and auto sum buttons and choose the max, type the max function and click the drag, select the cell B4 to E4. B4 to E4. Sorry, B4 to E4. E4 correct argument range and press enter. And press enter. So next, select the cell H4 and choose the minimum function to calculate the row cell for cell B4 to E4. Select the cell H4 and use the minimum function to calculate the row cells for cell B4 to E4. So type is equal to and type the minimum function and next minimum function B4 to E4. B4 to E4 and press enter. So next, select the cell G4 and H4 and double click fill pointers to cell H4. G4 to H4 and double click the fill pointer to cell H4. H4 and next delete the content of cell G80 to H18. So next one. G82 H18, delete the contents, right click and click delete. So next, select the cell B18, click the auto sum buttons, home tabs and accept the suggested range. So select cell B18 and press enter and click the auto sum buttons on the home tabs editing groups and accept the range. Go to the home tabs, go to the editing groups and click the auto sum and press enter. And select the cell B18, drag fill pointer to cell F18. Next fill pointer to F18 and drag to cell F18. So next autofill contents that do not display the data. So question number 7 is complete. So if you want to complete similar project, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word and Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Access, so we can do online courses, accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee you a 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So assignment title is Excel 2021 Practice Chapter 1 Independent Project 1 to 4.